Imagine waking up one day and realizing your money is making more money without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream? It's not. That's the power of investing. And today, I'll show you exactly how to start, step by step. Welcome to Nexo Finance, where we break down complex money topics into simple, actionable steps to help you build real wealth. In today's video, you'll learn how to start investing as a complete beginner, avoid costly mistakes, and set yourself up for long-term success, even if you're starting with just $100. Here's the truth. Saving alone won't make you rich. In fact, with inflation rising every year, your money is losing value just sitting in a savings account. But investing? That's where your money works for you. Let's say you invest $100 a month in an index fund with an average 8% return. In 20 years, that's not just $24,000. It's over $57,267 thanks to compound growth. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Let's talk about where your money can go when you invest. Don't worry, I'll keep it super simple. Stocks. You're buying a small piece of a company, like Apple or Tesla. If the company grows, your piece becomes more valuable. But if it struggles, so does your investment. Index funds and ETFs. Instead of picking one stock, these are like a basket of many stocks. They spread out your risk. For example, an S&P 500 index fund includes 500 of the biggest companies. It's like owning a little piece of the whole market. Bonds. Think of this like loaning your money to the government or a company. They pay you back with interest. It's safer, but the returns are smaller. Real estate. Buying houses or apartments to rent out or sell later. It can grow your money big time, but it takes more upfront cash and effort. Crypto. Digital money like Bitcoin. It can go up fast or crash just as fast. Only put a small amount in if you're curious. Here's your simple 3-step action plan. 1. Pick a brokerage. Use trusted platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Robinhood. 2. Set your goals. Are you investing for retirement, a home, or passive income? 3. Start with dollar cost averaging. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market is doing. Don't wait to be ready. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best is today. Here are some beginner mistakes you really want to avoid. Trying to time the market. Don't wait for the perfect moment to buy or sell. It's impossible to guess right every time. Just invest consistently. Chasing hype. If everyone online is talking about a hot stock or crypto coin, it's probably too late. By the time it's trending, the big gains are already gone. Putting all your money in one thing, that's super risky. If it crashes, you lose everything. Instead, spread your money across different investments. This is called diversifying. It keeps your money safer. If you made it this far, thank you. That means you're serious about taking control of your financial future. And I respect that. This is just the beginning. On this channel, Nexo Finance, we'll break down investing, saving, and building wealth, one simple step at a time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another beginner-friendly money tip. And hey, drop a comment below telling me your first investment goal. I'll reply to every comment in this first video.